I hit record before I was actually ready. All right, we are playing as Yoshiki. Classroom. Oh god, you can no longer return. Well, that is a crying shame, but I think we'll be fine. I don't know what these two are supposed to do. I really don't. Are they supposed to be accomplishing something? They have that whole boiler room thing that I actually don't know the answer to. Give me. Okay, so something about being able to go back to the classroom you started in? Not that one. Go back. It's full of dust and cobwebs. We can see Sachiko here? Are you sure about that? Oh, Jesus Christ! Oh my god, she scared me.
So you handed over that statue. And now you're at a loss on what to do? Very well. How about looking for a way into the incinerator? This time, I have something I want to give you.
Oh? Is that a good thing? Do I want this thing that you're trying to give me? Okay, so let's go ahead and try and get to this incinerator. I'm sure it's not going to be a problem. Oh, sweet. We can just... When did that happen? Alright, I have to remember how to do this. 4 steps to the right. Oh, sweet. Never mind. Oh!
Here, take this with you.
Acquired security guard key.
I know you have no choice, but hang in there.
Alright, yeah, cool. Thank you. I am really nervous. Yes, there you go. Oh, stop that! Thank you! My god, getting back is harder than... Doesn't seem to open from this side. Oh. Alright, something about security guard rooms. I don't remember where those are. I think they're these. Oh, security guard room 1. Yes. There should be a light switch on the wall. Ooh, oh, hello. I do not like this. Oh, shit. Okay, can I try security guard room 2? Oh, feels like a switch. Did I just die? What did I just do? Oh, I did it! But what about that other switch? The music turned off. Yellow ribbon. Is that a get? Is that what I want? I don't remember. An abnormal amount of hair is crammed in here. Looking closely, ew! It seems someone dropped a small scrap of paper. Letter number 7.
Ribbon? What ribbon? You mean ours? That's right, with your yellow ribbon in.
I don't remember the other letters that I read. There should be a light switch on the wall. Oh, got it. All right. I don't like this. Letter number 8.
Hand, stick it in the incinerator. Eh? But isn't that dangerous? Yeah, it is, but it's what we have to do.
Oh god, I'm gonna need that game guide so bad. Okay, what about these two? It seems someone has dropped a small scrap of paper. Letter number 5, the missing one. After that, leftmost center, then the second one from the right, and finally the second. Okay, I know I'm gonna be reading the game guide and all, but I'm just gonna, Okay. It seems someone has dropped a small scrap of paper. Letter number 9.
What just happened? Like I said, Zaki from class 29 suddenly appeared. Huh, you mean that girl who went missing a year ago? She...
Letter number 10.
Told you her name?
Her body. It was burnt up. I'm asking you who she is. Did you get her name?
You really want to know?
Yeah. It was class 29's. Shouldn't... Whoa, the letters end here. Whoa, why? What just happened? Well, I found all y'all's letters, so no bad ending for me, right? brat. Well, we'll find out. Anyways, so yeah, something about pressing buttons and sticking ribbons and incinerators, and I don't remember. Yes. Right switch, left switch. It said center right switch. No, wait. We're supposed to press this one. Yes. Center right. And then center left. Oh, I did it. Okay, good. There's an incinerator. It's pure black with soot. Yes. What will you do with the incinerator? No. Hold your hand out and enter. What? Hold out the yellow ribbon. Yes? Oh! I think I did wrong. Yeah, I think I did wrong. My bad. You can't even see all of the options. How am I supposed to know what does what? Okay, good. Yep, that was correct. Let's try saving again so I don't fluff it up. Yes. What will you do? No. No. While holding it, stick your hand in. Yes. Did it right that time. Oh, Jesus. Am I supposed to go in now? Stop! Go back! What am I supposed to do? Yes. I don't know. I think I was supposed to. Oh, God. Turn back. Leave. Go away. I hate everybody. It's so dark and cold. Oh, boy. This is it, guys. This is the end. Hello? You idiots. Why do you persevere? You kept going despite my warnings. Bye-bye. Uh-oh. What just happened? Wait, what? Was that what I was supposed to do? I don't understand. Well, ooh, hey, whoa, that body changed. Hello? Oh. Okay. Alright, well, I am thoroughly confused. I have no idea what's going on, and it's about that time for me to stop. So, next time we'll probably see the ending of this. You know, probably when I find a game guide. I don't know what's going on. Am I supposed to know what to do here? Is this just sort of like go where you think you're supposed to go and hopefully you've saved where you can reload, you know, probably. Anyways, leave a like and subscribe if you're not already a part of the Potato Buddy family. Leave a comment, you know, discussing what you think I should do next, because I'm confused. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.